Aloha and welcome to the Tiki Girl Channel. I'm going to do a vlog about how to achieve a voluminous hair bun by wearing a wig hairpiece scrunchie. So I purchased this on Amazon. This hair wavy extension is shaped like a messy bun. This is a classic duo and perfect hair accessory if you want to choose something that is quick and simple but still create a trendy hair look. This accessory comes in many hair colors, length, and texture, creating the look of instant volume and limitless styles. You will enjoy this quick and easy added volume layer and bounce. Your hair will look and feel like natural hair. Just twist it around, wrap it around your own short or long ponytail, and you're out in the door in seconds. The styling possibilities are unlimited when worn separately or together. So I'm going to demonstrate how to put on this hair piece on my hair. So first is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a brush. Just going to comb my hair out. Okay. And then I'm going to buy, I have actually a rubber band. I bought the ones that are closest to my hair color. This is like light blonde, caramel kind of type color. This also comes in brown and black, so this was the closest shade to my hair. So I'm gonna put this as a bun, so let me demonstrate. So I'm gonna put my head down so I can create that updo hairstyle, okay? So I'm gonna do this first. So I'm just gonna tease it down, as you can see. Okay, and just put all my hair down. And then I'm just gonna put my hair up like this, as you can see. And then I'm gonna use a brush just to comb the sides. So it's kind of like a little bit, a little bit straight. And then I'm gonna use my hair tie. That's right, so I'm gonna use it and I'm just going to put it around tie it like this, and then I'm gonna stick this part out, right? So it looks like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use these type of tiny hairs that's left over, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it around my hair like this, right? So you can wrap it around the bun. Then I'm just going to use these bobby pins that I have, which is also the closest hair color to my hair. So I'm just gonna stick these in. Just the hair, just to hold those little tiny hairs back in. So let me just do that. So I'm gonna put that around my hair, just tie my hair in the back. And just to keep it intact. Okay. Put that in. And then next, I'm gonna put this hair piece on my head and put it around my hair. And I scrunch it around and I pull it around. And voila! Isn't that cute? It matches my hair. So it looks so volume and full of hair. I mean, wow, check this out. It looks so cute. It matches my hair. Look at the back. It's amazing. But I could continue, I'll still continue wearing these bobby pins to, put it in the back just to cover the back of my head. Or you could just try to brush it up. But you want to have it a little bit loose here around the scalp of your head a little bit, so it kind of looks a little bit natural. But this is how it looks. It's really, really cute. Do you like it? I love it. This messy hair bun piece has 3.5 overall hair length on an elastic band, plus a bonus twist of 5.5 overall hair length on an elastic band. Both are fabricated with the slightly curled synthetic fiber for easy wear and care. It has an adjustable size. It's very easy to fit with an elastic hair piece. It's very washable, comfortable, easy, and secure fit. It also helps create an instant hair boost. It provides a secure yet comfortable attachment for all day wear, transforming your look in seconds, and can be worn to a prom, wedding, or an evening out. This is a heat-friendly synthetic fiber, can withstand up to heat up to 350. A low-medium setting is recommended. The fiber will be damaged if the heat setting is set too high. Curling and straightening while wearing this is not recommended. We hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. If you're interested in purchasing these hair ponytail buns, please click the links below. And don't forget to check out my website at www.thetikigirl.com. Happy shopping.